welcome back or welcome to Sena Swapna. I am posting this video after a good 6-7 months at this point in time. I don't know, I have lost track of time. So I owe you guys a huge apology for being missing for all these months. At the same time, I thought let me just sit down and have a little chat with you guys about why I have been missing for so many months. Okay, now I'm not going to be all, braggy over here and say that, oh, I was busy working and this and that. मैं इतना भी बिजी नहीं थी कि मेरे पास 5 मिनट नहीं है कोई वीडियो डालने के लिए या just to interact with you all. The thing is, I just lost the motivation. I just lost this स्पार्क इनसाइड मी कि मेरे को कैमरा उठा के कुछ व्लॉग करना चाहिए या कोई सिट डाउन वीडियो करना चाहिए या बात करनी चाहिए मेरे यूट्यूब फैमिली से. सो इट्स जस्ट दैट. आई नो ये एक्सक्यूज़ है और ये बहुत लेम है, बट है. माई ब्रेन वॉज नॉट ब्रेनिंग बेसिकली व्हेन इट केम टू कंटेंट क्रिएशन. So the last time I had posted was like some vlog when I was vacationing, I guess. और उसके बाद the remaining 6 months just like flew by. Eventful थे काफ़ी हद तक mundane भी थे. The same old work routine ये वो. In all these months, the most eventful has been the month of December. I had a family function to attend. I had a rough end to the 2024 year and a rough beginning to the year 25. So the thing is, after coming back from the family function, I fell flat on my face the very next day in my house, very randomly. I haven't been sick. I am not having any symptoms of like being weak or anything like that. हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर हुआ होगा कुछ, which I am clueless about, to be honest. And वो इतना सीवियर फॉल था कि मुझे समझ में नहीं आया कि मैं गिर गई हूँ. After I fell for a good 2 to 3 minutes, I was like numb, very numb. After I fell, I sat down immediately on the floor and I realized that there's a swelling on my left cheek and my lips. I was like, ठीक है, बहुत ज़ोर से impact हुआ है. A few seconds later, I see blood dripping from the left side of my mouth. तो मुझे पहले तो समझ में नहीं आया कि कहाँ से आ रहा है, क्या है. So then I realized that I'm bleeding, तो मतलब कुछ हुआ है. So I let that blood drip for a while. After it stopped considerably, I went to the mirror and saw कि ये पूरा jaw फूला हुआ था ऐसे. मतलब ये जो साइज़ अभी आपको दिख रहा है उससे ट्वाइस तो हुआ ही होगा शायद. And this entire lip had covered my the lower lip, because ये जो लोअर टीथ थे ना वो ऐसे ऊपर लग गए थे मेरे को. एंड द वर्स्ट पार्ट इज़ येट टू कम. ये जो देख रहे हो ना आप, द 2 teeth that I had gotten a root canal procedure on like a decade ago, वो लग गए थे. and that was also hurting me. That's why the blood, and also they had loosened up. So then my mom helped me get it onto my bed and she gave me the ice pack and वो सब तामझाम हो गया. And immediately the next day these 2 teeth came off while I was having a cold drink, imagine. Then I rushed to the dentist and now comes the most interesting part. He said that ये तो teeth अभी fix होने वाले हैं नहीं because the gums are mighty damaged. So he dropped a bomb on me. And by the way, all of this happened on the 24th of December, so just before Christmas. He gave me a few days to heal the swelling and the wound that had happened and asked me to come back again. So I went to him on the 31st of December evening. वो दांत जो था वो देखने के लिए कि क्या करना है अभी इसका. सो दैट्स व्हेन ही टोल्ड मी कि कुछ हो नहीं सकता इसका. बट ही टेम्परेरीली फिक्स्ड दोज टीथ ऑन मी कि देख लो कितने दिन चलता है, क्या होता है एंड ऑल दैट. Once they come off, we won't be able to fix them again. And now he has given me a few months ka period where I will need to have implants, 3 or 4, I am not sure, done to my teeth to fix the situation. Now the thing is, as I filmed this video right now, it's afternoon around 2ish. I have an appointment at 6 o'clock today evening because ये कल से वापस से हिलने लगे ये दांत and I'm not able to chew or eat anything. So I was on a liquid diet for the whole week of like from Christmas to New Year already because my teeth were messed up and I was not able to eat anything because of the swelling and everything. And now because of this situation, आगे क्या ही होने वाला है, कितना टाइम लगेगा, I am clueless. But from what I have gathered information from my friends who've done it on themselves and or their family and closed ones, painful होता है वो implants. I am pretty much mentally prepared कि ऐसे कुछ करना पड़ेगा. So since today morning I have been searching a lot of videos on YouTube about the implants and it does look painful and scary, so fingers crossed. तो the whole point of this video is that मैं पिछले कुछ महीने से जो missing थी and I had decided कि come 2025 January I will be back on track and I do not see it happening in the very near future. I will surely keep you guys posted, but before all that drama started, I just wanted to come out on here and share with you guys what's going on in my life right now. I'm hopeful that things will go fine and I'm not very sure how confident I will be to come in front of you all with practically half my teeth missing. So let's see. All I need is like best wishes and blessings and strength and love from all you guys, because I am scared. I'm scared of the needles, the x-rays, the treatments, the pains, the numbness, and I do not even know what all to expect frankly. और इन सब के बीच में ना मेरा काम भी नहीं रुक सकता because as you know it's January and February में boards के exams है, तो I can't be giving much holidays also. That's all that I wanted to share with you all. I wanted to put it out there that this is what is happening in my life. I hope to be back fit and strong very very soon. Ending this video on not such a happy note, but I'm not being pessimistic either. It's just fingers crossed, and I'll see you guys in the near future whenever it's possible, and just give me all your blessings and all your love and all your support, and take care of yourselves and just be happy and just be positive, just as I am trying to be. So thank you for watching this, and tata, bye bye.